Is your Firefox browser acting up? In this video, learn how to quickly clear the cache in Mozilla Firefox on Windows 11 to fix browsing issues and improve performance. Open Firefox browser. Launch the Firefox browser by clicking on its icon. Access Options menu. Look for the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines resembling a hamburger, in the top right corner. Click on it, and then select the Options gear icon from the drop-down menu. Navigate to Privacy Settings. In the left sidebar, click on the Privacy and Security tab. Clear Recent History. Scroll down to the History section. Click on the link labeled Clear Your Recent History. Select Cache. In the pop-up window, ensure that only the cache option is checked. You can deselect other options if desired. Clear Cache. Click on Clear Now to delete the cache. Restart Firefox. Close and reopen Firefox to ensure the changes take effect. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.